I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I can tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big snacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. There's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put it.
Hey, gorgeous pretty girl.
Hey pretty girl, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long, but I'm back, and today we're gonna be doing errands. I need to go get a new phone, because where is my phone? I need to show y'all. It really looks crazy. Insert footage here. I'm disappointed that I went that long with a phone looking like that. So yeah, I'm gonna go to AT&T, get a new phone, and then me and KT need to run some errands. We need to get some groceries, you know, adulting things. And then I don't know wherever the day takes us, but today's just a day off in my life. Adulting, just doing me. So yeah, let's go. Finna be new phone. Who this? Out with the broke and with the new baby.
Oh, I kind of know.
Sure.
You know, let's read the Bible. Let's
And so, yeah.
evidence. Looks really good.
Hello? Yes. New phone. Who this? AT&T. My phone's updating so it can be usable to me. Time to get some groceries. Gotta restock the fridge. Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's is cheap compared to Vons, and I go to Sprouts. I feel like I still don't spend as much money at Sprouts that we do at Vons. And the crazy thing is, at Vons, we only got enough food for like a couple days for him to cook whatever he wanted to meal prep, and then somebody little snacks. It was a lot, y'all. It was 2 bags for it, and I don't even want to see how much it costs because I'm actually kind of embarrassed that our stuff costing that much. But yeah, on the way home, I can't even use my phone right now because I'm in the middle of like trying to update and like do the backup thing, so to get all my storage and all my stuff. So yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna be sitting around chilling for a little bit. Hey y'all, good morning. So today I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm really trying to get back on track. I just moved. I literally new couch. There's tape up there because I'm trying to put these like lights up there. Like, my life has been chaotic, no routine, like literally just day by day, like what tasks need to be done today. And right now that tape needs to come down and them lights need to go up. I need to go to the gym because I need to get my routine back. Yesterday I really didn't finish vlogging because I didn't feel like there was nothing else for me to vlog. I literally came in the house, was tired, and I watched a show. It was called Earth Abides. My girl Val put me on. Y'all should watch it, and it's only 2 episodes out right now, so it's really good. Like post-apocalypse, pandemic, survival, like it's good. And I don't know, after I watched it, I went and watched like TikToks about it because I was trying to see like when's the next one, like come on. But yeah, so I'm gonna go to the gym. I didn't even do any like pre-workout today because I think I'm fine. I literally just drank a coffee. Like, I'm trying to start the morning off strong. If it happened, y'all, let me fill y'all into something real quick. It's kind of crazy and it's really been getting on my nerves, and I actually been kind of feeling targeted a little bit. So every day we go to the gym, right? We've been going at 5:30, and it's not been every day. Like I told you, I'm just trying to get back on track. I've been to the gym 3 times since we've been living here. So 2 of them 3 times I went to the bathroom. We go to the gym, I would say peak hours, like most, like a very common time for people to use the gym. Why does my apartment building close down the women's bathroom every day at 5:30 p.m. to clean the bathroom? How?
It ain't 5:30. It's whatever time you go in.
It's whatever time I go in there. Bathroom is open. Very nice. I just did my warm up. Now I'm about to get into this lift. I have legs and glutes today, so I'm gonna start right here on the Smith machine. We're gonna get set up and we're gonna get to it, y'all.
That little girl was so cute. So cute.
Taking care of business. So I just went to the gym and got back. I showered, I'm clean. I need to do something to my hair. Y'all, I'm finna chill. So my hair is finna be in a claw clip that matches my outfit. This is just a little two-piece set. I love two-piece sets, y'all. Like, two-piece sets are the thing for right now. It's Savage Fenty, so I don't know. I thought Rihanna snapped on this color, so I got it because I'm like, girl, that's cute. But y'all, it's also crazy to think about. Like, I have almost 60 days of leave saved up because I'm one of those people that I'm like, I'm not taking a day off unless like I'm on a trip. I need to be boarding a flight for me to take the day off. I won't give myself, even if I do take a trip, I will go back to work the next day I get back. Like, I don't care. I'm not wasting my leave. And it's crazy because I have like 60 days. I'm using my leave to sit at home. Like, I feel like I became such a homebody. It's insane. I used to not be able to be bored. Like, I thought that I had to have motion, had to have plans. Like, I just wouldn't be okay. Like, if I was sitting at home bored, I would get mad. Like, I would get anxious. So, I don't know. I think that evolution of me is crazy because now I'm just taking leave to be at home, do my hair in a claw clip, wear sweats, and chill, clean. That's like real deal adulting. Okay, first time. I got it. Woo! But y'all, that's it. That's all I'm doing to my hair. I'm tired. I'm lazy. I'm about to steam out my floors. I'm about to, whenever the dishwasher gets done, unload that. And I'm about to start some laundry. And your girl's gonna chill. I need to find new YouTubers because I feel like I spend so much time on YouTube that when I get on YouTube again to like watch channels that I like, there's nothing for me to watch. I've watched it all. And that's annoying to me. Like, y'all, we need to be pressing out more content, or I need to just have more people to watch. I've been done cleaning. I sat on the couch for like 20 minutes watching YouTube videos. But your girl is hungry and it's lunchtime. The washing machine's over there going crazy. So hopefully y'all can hear me good. But I'm about to make a yogurt parfait in this cute little bowl. That's gonna be my lunch. I really don't feel like cooking nothing. So I got some Chobani yogurt, some fruit that was already like pre-cut up and washed. And then some granola and some pecans. And I don't even know what made me start putting like nuts on my parfaits, but it's good and I like it, so I'm gonna keep doing it regardless. Oh, and tea. I don't know, I just got so excited, y'all. I love tea, so I'm about to make some tea too. I'm gonna go get my cup. So yeah, I just boiled the water. I love, this is so cute to me. My tea kettle, I love it. And then I got my cup. And then since I'm lactose, I think, or at least like a little bit, I'm gonna do peppermint tea because it's really good for digestion and like gut health. So yeah, girl. So this can sit and brew while I am making my yogurt parfait. Ooh, that cup just got hot. She's a peppermint girl. Ooh. Then I go sit on the couch, drink my tea, eat my yogurt.
Do a social.
Hey y'all, so I'm about to get up. I'm about to get active. I'm gonna go pick up my package from the postal next, and then when I get back home, I can't just couch ride. I cannot sit on this couch all day just because I'm off, and I'm about to go on a walk.
Okay, this one's 10.
Yeah.
Sure. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm about to go get my exercise, but real quick, I wanted to go working. Nespresso package was picked up. Y'all, I'm finna go get my exercise and my fresh air, but real quick, I just wanted to open this. The Nespresso pods. Put this down. Ooh. I literally just ordered 60 of these. Oh, dang, close. Okay, so I just ordered a box of the pods, and I like this kind because they gave me a sampler when I first got the machine, and I was like, yeah, obviously I definitely have a favorite, and it's the gold ones. So it's double espresso dulce. Enough yet, let's next time. It's time for bed. We finna watch a movie first, a Christmas movie. KT's already cozy on the couch. Your girl is tired. We're about to watch, I think it's called the red one, KT? Yep. Okay, it's a Christmas movie. It's a comedy. I hope the vibe is right because I just want to watch a movie, chill, and go to bed.